Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, March 22nd. We continue with the I Am Enough series, inspired by Brené Brown book. I thought it was just me, but it isn't. Making the journey from what will people think to I am enough. Yesterday we determined that we all spend an extraordinary amount of time and energy tackling the surface issues as we try to fit in, to belong. But this surface flailing rarely results in meaningful, lasting change. What we really need to do is to dive in below the surface and acknowledge that the universal emotion of shame is what drives our I am not enoughness. This is what Brené Brown writes. Shame is as dangerous as violence. Both are epidemics. But whereas people understand violence and can talk about it, we're still afraid of shame. Even the word is uncomfortable. We are taught and socialized not to discuss it. Shame is a silent epidemic. It's a problem of epidemic proportions because it has an impact on all of us. What makes it silent is our inability or unwillingness to talk openly about shame and explore the ways in which it affects our individual lives, our families, our communities, our society. Our silence has actually forced shame underground, where it now permeates our personal and public lives in destructive and insidious ways. Shame was once largely misunderstood and discounted by social scientists, but now a growing number of researchers and practitioners are examining shame and its role in a wide range of mental and public health issues, including depression, addiction, and all types of violence. As is the case with many epidemics, it seems that we are so mired in our own struggle to take care of ourselves and our families that we just don't see the connections that allow us to make sense of it and begin to address it as a large-scale problem. We cannot see the enormity of it. We think it's a personal problem or a self-esteem issue rather than a serious social problem. And yet, just like the growing epidemic of violence, for many, shame has strangely become both a form of self-protection and a popular source of entertainment. Name-calling and character assassinations have replaced national discussions about religion, politics, and culture. We use shame as a tool to parent, teach, and discipline our children. Television shows promoting cutthroat alliances, backstabbing, hostile confrontations, exclusion, and public humiliation consistently grab the top ratings. And at the same time, we use shame to defend and entertain ourselves. We struggle to understand why the world feels so scary, why politics have turned into blood sport, why children are suffering high levels of stress and anxiety, why popular culture appears to be sinking to all-time lows, and why a growing number of us feel so alone, so disconnected. So today, let's continue to practice the circle of loving kindness, to strengthen our connection with each other and with the whole world, so that we can walk this path together without fear of being judged. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be natural, just see if you can find some sense of spaciousness, freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Begin your loving kindness practice with a gentle reflection on your basic goodness and your wish to be happy. As you do this, scan your body and notice how this reflection affects your physical state, your breath, your mind, your heart, and soften from the inside out. Repeat after me silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now imagine sitting in the center of a circle, surrounded by all the members of our mindful morning Sangha. We will now send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners. And as you repeat the verse after me, also allow yourself to receive their kindness, their good wishes sent to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. With each phrase, you are offering each other a gift, and you are receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. As always, if your attention wanders away from the circle, away from this practice, or if difficult feelings or memories arise, simply come back here again and again, as many times as you need. Remember, here there is no judgment, only compassion. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. At times you may feel unworthy of receiving all this love. Don't worry. It all happens sometimes to all of us. Maybe even say to yourself, how human of me. And breathing gently, accept that those feelings have come up. Remember the beauty of your simple wish to be happy and come back to your practice again. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know that you are enough. May you touch deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice and, as always, scan your body, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Shame is a silent epidemic. Yet, because we're so mired in our own struggle, we simply don't see the enormity of it. We think it's a personal problem or a self-esteem issue rather than a serious social problem. What are your thoughts on that? As always, if you're inspired to share your musings, you're welcome to do it in the comments here or in our Mindful Morning Circle private group, where I am posting daily journal prompts for a more in-depth reflection. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.